wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again! I'm so excited because we're preparing for our adventure. Do you remember the last time when Olivia and I decided to go on an adventure with Moana? Well, today I'm going to teach you kids what you need as your special adventure kit, okay? Because I think right now, Olivia and Moana, they're preparing the boat. So let me just pack all of our stuff. So this, kids, this is my special thumb finger weapon. It's just to make sure that we are safe. And then I also have a magnifying glass. Ooh-hoo-hoo. It's for anything that we can't see, for us to see. It makes certain things bigger. You see my eye? Ooh. Oh, big eye. Okay, so I'm gonna pack that, and then what else do we have? Oh yeah, in case we catch anything, and if we're hungry, we need to be sure to catch some fish. So I'm gonna pack that as well. And then, of course, we can't forget Penguin, right? That's my favorite toy. Yeah, I always sleep with my penguin. Yeah. You can't go without him. I'm gonna pack Olivia's favorite plush toy too. So we're taking that, and then of course I can't forget my helmet for any danger zones, right? Danger zones, so nothing falls on my head. So we're gonna pack that as well. And then what else do I have? Oh yeah, of course, Pez. Ha! This is our dessert. And then for our camp, here, our singing llama. How does this work again? Oh, here. There we go. Our singing llama. Olivia, I guess I should put this one away.
Wow! I'm happy you're bringing singing llama.
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm just showing what the kids need to pack for their special exploration set. For a special adventure kit.
Oh, great!
And then a towel like this. You can join.
Okay.
And then, of course, a phone just in case we have any trouble.
Mm-hmm.
And then I also made sure we need to bring our decoder because in case there are any secret or hidden messages.
Mm-hmm.
And then just in case we need some pliers, I got some pliers.
Oh, wow.
And then where did my sunglasses go? Oh, they're right there. Here.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, and then our sunglasses.
Ooh.
So, just for the sun, for protection. I already packed your backpack. I'm just showing the kids what we need.
This is awesome.
Let me put this
You got
to the
so
side.
much stuff. Good job.
Yeah, so here's your backpack.
Oh,
Here's your backpack.
thank you.
I'm going to clean up all the stuff and put it into my backpack. But basically, once this is all packed, I was just showing the kids, once this is all packed, I'm ready to go.
Wow, I'm ready to go too. Look, I brought us a boat.
Oh, there's a boat.
For Moana, and here, I got you a blue oar.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
We'll need that once we go out on the water.
And I got me a pink one.
Nice.
Yeah. And
And then here's the boat, and it's got Moana's rooster on top,
But-
and we can just put Moana inside, and we'll go out on the water in this boat.
Olivia,
Yeah.
it doesn't look like it's a pink oar. It looks more orange lemon, like a salmon.
Yeah, it is more salmon.
Okay.
Salmon's kind of like an orange pink to me.
Yeah, okay, orange pink.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
So,
I still like it.
well, I guess we're ready, right? We start on an adventure now?
Yeah, I think we should get Moana.
Oh, yeah, we
and
should get Moana.
her in the boat. Here, wait, hold on. I'll grab a Moana.
Why don't you get Moana and all clear all of these things and I'll pack them quickly, okay?
Okay.
Kids, make sure to get all of these items so you're ready on our adventure too, okay? We'll
Yeah.
be right back.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
we got our backpack
Yeah.
and I got my special thumb weapon
Yay.
here. And
Thumb
now,
weapon.
now we can start off.
Okay, let's start.
So let's push into the water. One, two, three, go!
Whoa, the waves are so big.
They are.
Ocean waves.
Once we're gonna go over the first 3 waves, we'll be out on the sea.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I see a big one coming.
Let's hold
Here it
on.
comes in.
Hold on. Hold on.
Whoa. Whew. That was a big wave.
That was a good one.
That was
Oh,
big.
look, there's a second one
Oh, the
coming.
second one. Okay.
Oh, no.
Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Woo.
Okay. And the last one is coming. Let's go.
Let's go. It looks like the biggest one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Hold
coming.
on.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on. Whew.
That was
Wow.
that's good.
Yeah, ocean waves are big.
Yeah, we made that.
Oh, it's nice out here
Okay.
though, huh?
I think we can lay down the oar.
Okay.
I think now we got it.
Yeah.
With Moana's sail, I think we're good to go.
Yeah.
Now we just have to follow the voice. Moana,
Oh.
take us to the voice.
take
take
us to the
to the
voice.
voice.
I think it's coming from over that way.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go that way.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Moana.
Yeah, Moana, let's go.
I think we're getting closer.
Yeah, it sounds like it's definitely closer.
Yeah, let's.
Oh, okay. Moana, which way do you think? Which way? I think we should go forward, she says. Forward! So we have to go forward again.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go.
There she is!
Oh, who is it?
It's Ariel!
Ariel! Hi!
Ariel.
Hi, wow! That's so nice. Oh, here, Moana wants to meet Ariel.
Yeah, Ariel, Moana led us to you.
Yes.
Oh, we just lost our boat.
Oops.
Ariel, Moana brought us to you.
Yeah, she said that you could help us. We have a gold locked box that we need a key to.
Yeah, let me show it. I have it in my backpack.
Okay. Here, do you want me to hold it, Ariel?
Yeah, can you hold Ariel?
Yeah, I'll hold Ariel.
Let me just pull it out of my
Yes.
backpack.
See, Moana says, we found this very important box. A voice led me to it. And there's our box.
There's our box. Moana said, Ariel,
See?
that you would have the special key for it, or at least help us out on this.
Yes. Oh, I am so happy you guys are here, but I do not have your special key.
No.
Oh no.
Oh,
Yeah.
what do we do now?
To get your special key, you must go on a big adventure. You must climb to the very, very top of a mountain.
Of that mountain there?
Of that mountain there. And it is
But it's so
very
big.
high. Whoa.
What are we supposed to do? Is that where we will find the lock? Is that where we will find the key? But where? How?
You must climb to the very, very top of the mountain, and another princess will help you on your way.
Who? Can you tell us?
All I can say is it will be very, very cold.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
and very dangerous.
Olivia?
Yeah.
I think I forgot our winter gloves
Oh no.
and our scarf.
Oh, I didn't even think about it because we were going on the ocean. It seemed so
Uh-oh.
warm and beachy.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Is it going to be dangerous, Ariel?
Yes, it will be very dangerous, but if your heart remains true, you will find your way.
So,
So,
we just continue on, I guess.
yeah, so we continue on. Are you going to come with us, Ariel?
Ariel, will you
Yeah,
come
will
with us?
Will you come? Yes, I will come on this adventure with you. I will use my human legs.
No, what if she uses her mermaid tail so we can swim through the ocean really fast?
Yeah. She could take us there. I will use my mermaid tail to guide you through the ocean to the bottom of the mountain.
Okay,
Yay!
let's get started.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, Ariel.
Wow. Thank you,
We're
Ariel.
so happy that we found you here in the water.
Yeah, me too. That was very, very helpful.
Okay,
Wow.
Moana, come on. Sit down
let's
right
go.
next to us.
Okay.
Let's go, Moana and
go.
Ariel.
Moana and Ariel.
Off we go.
Swimming through the ocean.
Bye, kids. We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Have fun.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!